Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through an open house here in a premier home at the village of Bridgeport at Lake Sumter. I hope you enjoy the tour. Have a great day.
This is Mike Schaefer with Next Home Sell Love Realty, and we're showing you one of our other unique homes, a St. Augustine model with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 4,200 square foot. We have a full bedroom right over here with floors that are sustainable also for an office. Also a full cabinet here for a bedroom. Normally this house has doors right over here leading out to the lanai. This one is blocked off but can be opened up again. You will find a huge master bedroom. Also all the furniture can be included if necessary. Someone wants that. The house has 4,200 square foot under air and also total. The bond is paid off, which is something for the villages that is important. And also the roof is new and the AC is new. There's a huge master closet right here, which of course stays as it is. The house was built in 2005 and should appraise more than that, because this is by far right now the cheapest house here in this area.
What is the selling price?
1.25 million.
1.25 million.
Normally the St. Augustine model only has about 3,300 square foot. I will lead you out to the lanai where you can see where the other 900 square foot come from.
What is the square footage?
Normally this model has about 3,300 square foot, but this one has 4,200 square foot.
4,200 square feet.
Under air, because the owner enclosed the lanai.
And the furniture does go with it?
If necessary, I think we can talk about, definitely they want to sell it. If it's included in the purchase price, we have to see. So this is a completely enclosed lanai with a separate air condition. This was a movie theater once. They had stacked furniture here, a big 80-inch TV, and everything was blocked off with dark red curtains. The furniture is still available and can be transformed back to a movie theater. There's also room for a pool in the backyard. We do have the full width of the house and 33 foot on one side and 25 foot on the other side. So there's really sufficient room for a pool. There's even a drawing for the pool so that people can see how it would look. The living room has 4 identical leather sofas and enough room for entertainment. Bridgeport is located very close to Lake Sumter Landing and also to Spanish Springs. So in a few minutes you will be in both squares with your golf cart.
Yeah, it's probably about a 5-minute golf cart ride from here to Sumter
maximum
Landing.
to Lake Sumter Landing, yes. There's 2 more bedrooms coming up.
What kind of cabinets are these in the kitchen, do you know?
This is cherry cabinets. They do not have soft close, but the soft close can be installed with pretty little effort.
Cherry cabinet.
It's an electric stove because in this area there's no gas. The house has a total of 3 air conditioners.
3 air conditioners in the home. What are the ages of the air conditioners?
They're all brand new.
All brand new.
Let's say last year. Kind of new. The roof was also replaced in 2023.
Roof is replaced in 2023.
2 more bedrooms. They are with carpet. They can be sold the way they are.
How many bathrooms total?
3 bathrooms.
3 bathrooms.
3 full bathrooms. The next bedroom is also a full bedroom with carpet the way it was. It's probably a good idea to use this one maybe as an office because you have the air conditioners right in front of the window. Might be a little loud at night. The utility room here was used as an emergency office and also contains a washer, dryer and a sink. And this room leads out to the, right now, a little bit overcrowded, filled garage. This is an oversized 2-car garage so that you can easily fit 2 cars and 2 golf carts. The Harley, just to let everyone know, does not convey. The stuff that you see here was the movie theater.
Harley does not go with the home. And this is an oversized 2-car garage.
Yes. And the last room would be the dining room. Enough space for an extended table for 10 persons or more. One last thing to mention, we have a motivated seller, so bring your offer and we will definitely consider it.
Waarom wacht eens?
Drawing where the current owner suggested how a pool would look at the property. I can then put the drawing on there. This side over here has 32 foot for over 90 foot wide, 20 foot far, on the other side.
So this is a drawing showing a potential swimming pool.
No, this is the drawing showing the current house right now. I can put the drawing from the pool up there. With the pool, it would look like this. This would be then how the pool looks. So you can have a nice big pool in the backyard. They do have an old estimate for that.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is a home located in the village of Bridgeport at Lake Sumter, and it is $1.25 million asking price. Please contact the realtor if you are interested in more information about this home. Have a great day. Take care.